Hi guys, it's Taryn, or VSG, Tearing It Up. Today is September 26th, 2017, and I am coming to you 1 week post-op VSG or weight loss surgery. I had vertical sleeve gastrectomy, which is a weight loss surgery at Henry Ford, Maine, on September 19th with Dr. Carbootley. I am 1 week out from surgery. My highest weight was 278, and that was back in March of 2017. Surgery day was September 19th, 2017, and my weight was 232. So let's just take a second. I lost 46 pounds pre-op. That's awesome. Like, I'm really excited. I really wanted to get down to 230 before surgery because I want to get to 130 after. So I figured the further I can get down, the better off and the better my chances are. So I went into surgery at 232, so that's pretty close, and that was 1 week ago, and now I am 222. So I have lost 10 pounds in 1 week. Now, I will tell you that I lost it all before Saturday. Since Saturday, I have lost nothing, and there's a couple reasons. So I'm pretty sure I am dehydrated. I am not, like my urine is still yellow and clear, light yellow, but guys, my urinary output is probably about 300 mLs a day. That is obnoxious. That is like nothing. I feel like my body is just retaining anything I put into it. It does not want to let go at this point. I've only had one bowel movement since surgery, and that was on Saturday. So that could definitely have something to do with it. I have been experiencing some hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar. I'm not hungry, but I feel shaky and like I'm gonna pass out. So I know I have to eat. Pretty much I've been eating like I eat 2 protein shakes a day, and then I'm trying to work on my fluids. It's like 32 ounce cup, so I've been putting water in it. Let me get my sip in. Today, because I really feel like I'm dehydrated, I put the Zero. Oh, what the heck is it? Sorry, I got a phone call. The Zero Propel, not Propel. I don't have the bottle with me. Whatever. But it's like Gatorade, but it's like fake Gatorade. Whatever. No sugar in it, but it does have electrolytes and stuff like that. So I really felt like I could use some replacement. And I'm about halfway through it. It's about 11 a.m. So far I had a half of Premier Protein, half of 32 ounce Powerade Zero. Thank you, Jesus. That was really ridiculous. I couldn't remember it. And then I just had some cheddar and broccoli soup from Panera. I'm on the go. I'm out seeing patients today. So a couple things I've done I shouldn't have done. I've been a very bad bariatric patient. Do not do what I do. I'm a bad girl. So I was reading in my book last night, and apparently I wasn't supposed to go back until my doctor approved me. I went back Friday. I had surgery Tuesday. Took like 3 days off. I don't really do anything. I drive around, do a little bit of wound care, or like taking vitals and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, I did that. I haven't picked my son up though. He's 4. He's been such a sweet boy. He's very gentle. I'm like, you gotta be gentle and careful. And he's like, okay, mommy, I won't hurt you, you know. So he hasn't tried to jump on me or anything. He's given me very gentle hugs and being a sweetie. So that's good. So the other thing I've done, such a fat ass. Like my fucking fat kid, my inner fat kid is winning. She's winning. So I was supposed to do clear liquids and protein shakes until Friday, and then start full liquids Saturday. Well, my dumb ass, Saturday, my family was making chicken Alfredo, and it smelled so good. My inner fat Taryn was like, eat it. Just puree it. It'll be fine. Because I'm allowed to have oatmeal. You ate oatmeal earlier. As long as you can eat oatmeal. Pureed food is not as bad as oatmeal. Stupid, right? Yes, that is me. So I pureed some and put enough in like 3 containers. Just a small amount, like 2 ounces in each one. Ate it, no problem. It was probably not good because now I'm like, that went down okay. So Sunday they made spaghetti. Like, I don't know why they were making noodles. And I don't even like spaghetti, but it smells so good whenever you're not eating, guys. I'm telling you, like, it's torture. So I did the same thing. I just pureed it up. Can't do spaghetti. Took 2 bites and was like, okay, bad idea. Abort, abort. It was horrible. So I threw away the ones I made of that, but I did keep the chicken and I've ate it one other time, Monday. So today is Tuesday and I have not followed my shit the whole time. I'm so bad. I've had cheddar and broccoli soup. That was perfect. I had potato soup from Chili's, just no bacon and no green onions. It was delicious, no problems. And then just like protein shakes, yogurt. But I am allowed to eat pudding, so it's like, okay, I need to eat the shit that I'm allowed to eat and stop misbehaving. So I'm gonna try to work on that this week. But I guarantee that's why I stopped losing, because I was losing like a pound or 2 a day, and then all of a sudden I haven't lost a pound. And I know it's probably because my body is like, oh, give me food, I'm gonna hang on to this one. Bitch, you ain't feeding me nothing, so I'm gonna keep it. So I really don't have any pain. I haven't been hungry or full, I would say, since surgery. Now, I'm only putting food in 2-ounce cups, and I have not tried to eat anything more. I'm really struggling not eating. I'm supposed to not drink anything a half an hour before or half an hour after eating. That is hard. I should have practiced that before. If you guys are still pre-op, you should probably practice, because that sucks. Like, I suck. I have a hard time doing it. I don't know why that's so difficult for me, but it is. I guess because I've always ate and drank, whatever. So a little bit more about whenever I was at the hospital. I do want to say I am really thankful that my husband was there with me, because I was like, it felt like had somebody pushing me down. Like, the whole day, the whole first day after surgery, it was hard to even sit up. Like, I'd have to grab his arm and he'd have to pull me out of the bed because I could not sit up on my own. It was horrible. And then after he left, I had to use the side rail to do it, because the nurse in Cena that I had with me weighed like 100 pounds soaking wet. Like, bitch, you can't help me. Get out of my way. So I ended up like pulling a muscle in my neck. So that hurts really bad. That hurts worse than my stomach, actually. The one part that does hurt, I had that hernia just below my breastbone, because it was like a periesophageal hernia. So that hurts worse than anything. And I wouldn't even say it hurts, but it's there. Like, I feel like something, like it feels like a pressure or something. I don't know. And maybe that's gas and I'm just mistaking it, but that's where it hurts. It doesn't hurt anywhere in my stomach. I got one of my incisions where the glue has almost all the way fallen off, and it is sealed perfect and looks beautiful. The other ones are still covered under the glue, so that's fine. But you know, whenever, I hate going into surgery, guys. I have never been intubated before, and I gotta tell you, it was a little bit frightening. You know, it's bad enough that you're laying there on the table, they like lay your arms out like you're on the cross or something, and they strap you down. But then this lady put this mask, like the mask over my face, because they gotta like vent you until they get you intubated or whatever. But she put the mask over my face, and I just had like tears running down my face because I couldn't fucking breathe. And I'm like, I can't breathe. And she's like, you're okay, we're gonna start giving you medicine now. And I'm like, I can't breathe. And then I was just gone. Like, what? It sucked. That was so scary. That was like such a horrible experience. really did not like that. So I never really hear anybody talk about in the actual operating room. So there's a little not so fun for you to look forward to, guys, if you're still pre-op. But otherwise, I am doing super good. I am not getting in my 64 ounces, so that is going to be my goal for this week. Like, I did say, like, before I eat anything, I'm going to make sure I get in my water. But the thing is, I feel hypoglycemic. Like, I feel shaky. I feel like I'm going to pass out. I feel like I'm going to throw up or something. Like, I am not diabetic, but I have metabolic syndrome, which I think a lot of fat people do. It's like because your beta receptors are buried under your fat. It builds an insulin resistance. So I end up with, I have what's called hyperinsulinemia. So basically I have an overproduction of insulin because it has a hard time getting to my beta cells under all my fat. So I'm sure that will resolve the more fat I get rid of, especially abdominal fat. But until then, it kind of sucks because I can't eat, but I feel like I'm going to die if I don't, you know? So I might email my nutritionist or dietitian, whatever she is, and ask if I can have peanut butter or something when I start feeling like that, because that's not anywhere on my list. But if I eat the smooth kind, I mean, it's soft, I mean, why not? So just like a teaspoon of peanut butter or something when I'm feeling hypoglycemic, because I really feel like I'm going to pass out. And I don't see I thought I saw my surgeon today or tomorrow, but apparently I don't see him till the 4th. So like I'm not going till 2 weeks post-op, which is fine, whatever. I've tried to go for a walk. Guys, I don't have enough calories to go for a walk. I'm only getting in about, oh, excuse me. That was rough. That was like kind of violent. I'm only getting in about 300. The most I've got in is about 500 calories. So I don't have the energy to go for a walk yet. And I'm not really cleared for exercise. I mean, he said I could walk for like 30 minutes or something, but it's 81 degrees in Michigan and it is September 26th. I don't like the snow, but I do like fall. Like, screw the hot weather. I want fall, cool breeze, crisp air. It's Michigan, for Pete's sake. It is freaking 80 in September, almost October. So, whatever. I can't complain, because then whenever the snow comes, then I can't complain either. So, I guess you just have to accept every season for its own unique whatever. And you know what they say about Michigan. I don't know if you're from Michigan, but all you gotta do is wait a couple minutes and the weather will change. You know, the weather, it can be raining on this one side of the street, a complete storm, and on the other it's like a beautiful sunny day. So Michigan weather is insane. But I don't like being hot, and I'm definitely not going for a walk when it's hot. But I was looking forward to like going for a walk in the crisp air with the little leaves under my feet. Not yet. Not yet. It'll come in time. The other day I did go for a walk. I took my kids to the park and I was just like walking around the park, and I did have the leaves under my feet, but I was like sweating balls. Like, it was so hot. It was like 85 or something stupid for September, and it was too hot. And I'm like, okay guys, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass out. We gotta go. So anyways, it's good talking to you guys, and congrats to the ones who got sleeved. I know Bremo and Ashley just got sleeved yesterday, or today, no, yesterday I believe. And I think they're doing good, so congrats guys. And anybody else out there who is about to go or just went, bye.